Hello everyone. Today we will read a poem which is written by John Foster, and this poem is in the form of a rap. Its name is The Recycling Rap. Dear students, can you tell me what is recycling? Recycling is the process to use waste things or create something new from it. Before going to start this poem, I have some questions for you. Do you recycle? Why is recycling important? And what products of daily use can be recycled? Yes, children. As you know, we use many things in our daily life and we dump the waste things into the dustbin without realizing that things can be used again in a good manner. If we reuse things, it reduces the amount of waste. Moreover, recycling reduces the burden of the environment also. So recycling is a small step by humans to save the environment, and this step is very effective in the long run. Children, before throwing away the waste, we should check it if there is a recycled product in it or not. So let's start our poem, The Recycling Rap. The girl is saying, "Listen to me, children, hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It is the only way to save this planet for the future generation." The girl is saying, if you want to save the earth planet, you have to start the recycling things. Name of the game is reclamation. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. She is saying that reclamation means the process of obtaining material from waste products so that can be reused. जब हम पुरानी things को old things को दोबारा use करते हैं उसको reclamation कहते हैं. So if you want to save the earth planet, you should start the recycling because recycling reduces the amount of waste, so we cannot sit idle. No more pussyfooting, no more claptrap. Pussyfooting means होता है being anxious about expressing one's opinion. किसी का opinion सुनने के बाद में हमें reaction नहीं देना, हमें गुस्सा नहीं होना. No more claptrap. Claptrap means कोई भी stupid talk नहीं करनी, insincere बातें नहीं करनी. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. और हमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करनी है. We should start recycling. Come on and start recycling. Start today by saving all newspaper, not throwing them away. Don't just take them and dump them on the tip. Tie them in a bundle and put them in the skip. The poet is saying, after reading the newspaper, we should not throw the newspaper in the dustbin. We can use it in many ways, or we can tie it and sell into the market where it can be recycled in the factories. Get collecting, protecting the future's up to you. Save all your old glasses bottle and your jam jars too. Take them to the bottle bank, then at the factory. The glass can be recycled, saving energies. Even the many things you can recycle, whether it is household materials like paper, plastic bottles, metal, glass, furniture, toys. So all these things can be recycled. So what we have to do, we have to collect all the plastic bottles, all the glass bottles from our kitchen, and we can use these bottles again, or we can sort all the waste and dump into the dustbin. Which dustbin? That is recycle bin, not in the dustbin. Okay, so we can use these all the bottles, all the plastic bottles again. Don't chunk away that empty drink can. Remember what I said. Start recycling, man. Wash it, squash it, squeeze it, and flat and thin. Take it to the save can and post in it. The meaning of chunk away is throw away solid pieces broken of something. And the meaning of this stanza is we should not put the broken things into the dustbin directly. We should wash it, squash it, and squeeze all the waste bottles, and then we can save all the bottles in recycle bin. Next lines are, listen to me children, hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It is the only way to save this planet for the future generation. Name of the game is reclamation. Again the speaker is telling the same lines. To save our planet earth, so to save the beautiful planet earth, we have to save the waste things. We have to use the old things again. Because recycling begins at home. If you are throwing away any old products and utilizing it for something new, then you are actually recycling. So recycling is very important as waste has a huge negative impact on the natural environment. Recycling helps to reduce pollution caused by the waste, and it helps us to save energy. Hope you like this rap. Have a nice day, students.